Head massage techniques, part 1. First step, with both hands, intertwine all 10 fingers into the hair and grasp the scalp. Second step, use the thenar eminence, the fleshy part at the base of the thumb, of both hands to massage the scalp. Third step, divide the hair into 2 sections and gently pull to release tension. Fourth step, gently tap on the scalp. Repeat each movement 5 to 8 times. Head massage techniques, part 2. Start at the Intang acupoint, located between the eyebrows, and press incrementally until reaching the Bai Hui acupoint on the crown of the head. Begin from the Zhanzhu acupoint at the start of each eyebrow and press incrementally towards the Bai Hui acupoint. From the Yuyao acupoint in the middle of the eyebrows, apply pressure moving incrementally toward the crown of the head. Starting from the Shizhikong acupoint at the tail end of the eyebrows, press incrementally toward the upper region of the head. Initiate from the upper part of the ears and apply pressure incrementally toward the crown of the head. Head massage techniques, part 3. Starting from the Shizhikong acupoint at the end of the eyebrows, glide incrementally to the crown of the head. Ensure to clear the pathway at least 3 to 5 times. From the Tinghui, Tingdong, and Earman acupoints in front of the ears, glide incrementally toward the Bai Hui acupoint on the crown. Begin from the Yifeng acupoint located behind the ears and glide incrementally to the crown of the head. If you encounter any gritty or bumpy sensations during the massage, it indicates blockages in those areas.
Today, I'm sharing a complete side neck relaxation technique. Step 1. First, apply oil evenly over the entire neck area and perform gentle stretching and relaxation. Step 2. Use your knuckles to perform a deeper massage along the entire side neck area for thorough relief. Step 3. Separate and massage along 3 lines of the neck. One line is angled 30 degrees forward from the earlobe, one line is vertical to the earlobe, and one line is angled 30 degrees backward from the earlobe. Finally, drain through the armpit area. Step 4. Use circular finger movements to relax the entire side neck area. Then clear the areas in front of and behind the ear, lifting upward to the top of the ear and applying focused pressure. Step 5. First, relax the shoulders. Slide down to the fatigued muscles below the shoulder, using your knuckles to push upward and relieve pressure from the trapezius muscle. Step 6. Wrap both shoulders simultaneously to relax them. Use your knuckles to press into the trapezius muscle on both sides, providing decompression and relaxation for the entire shoulder area. For particularly stiff trapezius muscles on either side, you can use both hands and push the trapezius muscle outward with your knuckles. Then, follow the direction of the entire neck, lifting and guiding up to the Fengfu and Fengqi acupoints. Full version of back meridian massage. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Alternately pluck and knead the Dazhui acupoint area. Strengthen with finger knuckles and a clenched fist. Step 2. Divide and push both sides of the scapula. Step 3. Push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 4. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be gentle on the spine, don't apply too much pressure. Rub the back with a clenched fist until warm. Finally, soothe the entire back muscles and lift and pull the Fengqi and Fengfu acupoints.
Super comfortable spinal massage tutorial for family members who sit for long periods or are fatigued. Basic version. Do 10 to 20 repetitions of each exercise. Step 1. Thumb inch push along the spine. Step 2. Straight thumb push down spine and both sides. Step 3. Thumbs separately push down both sides of spine. Step 4. Thumbs press down on both sides of spine. Step 5. Thumbs cross and knead the spine. Step 6. Use webbing between thumb and index finger to scrub lower back. Advanced version. Do 10 to 20 repetitions of each exercise. Step 1. Straight thumb push along lumbar spine. Step 2. Reinforce straight thumb push. Step 3. Straight push left bladder meridian. Step 4. Straight push right bladder meridian. Step 5. Reinforce straight thumb push. Step 6. Cross pushing, bottom to top, then top to bottom. Step 7. Thumb pad separately push both sides of lumbar spine. Step 8. Fist pushes bottom to top. Step 9. Scrub lower back with thumb webbing. Step 10. Palm knead lower back. Step 11. Push and pull bilateral meridians. Step 12. Tai Chi style soothing and relaxing lower back.
Simple home armpit massage tutorial. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Step 1. Alternately push the armpit with finger pads. Step 2. Alternately push the heart meridian and lung meridian. Step 3. Divide and separate the pericardium meridian with your thumb. Step 4. Push the armpit upwards with finger pads. Step 5. Strengthen with finger knuckles.
First part of the knee joint massage technique. Before massaging, first apply oil, spreading it evenly on your legs. First movement, use the base of your palms to rub the sides of the knee. Apply pressure upwards, no pressure downwards, so the entire knee absorbs the oil, promoting blood circulation in the knee joint. Second movement, use the space between your thumb and index finger to rub back and forth along the kneecap from the side. Second part of the knee joint massage technique. Third movement, alternate between your left and right hands, using the space between your thumb and index finger to rub the knee. Fourth movement, use a half fist to knead and push to strengthen the knee. Be careful not to only strengthen the sides of the knee. Massage is holistic, and we must care for every part of the skin. Fifth movement, alternate between your left and right hands to knead back and forth. Sixth movement, soothe the knee and strengthen the area around the Shian acupoints. Looking for a simple way to boost your overall well-being?
A foot massage can be a surprisingly effective approach. It can support healthy kidney and urinary function, which is so important for overall health. It can also promote balance in your reproductive system and even ease sciatic nerve discomfort. Plus, by calming your nervous system, a foot massage can help improve your sleep quality, leading to a better mood and a higher quality of life. It's a simple act of care that can truly make a positive impact.